Welcome to this guided meditation for anyone who seeks healing after narcissistic abuse and toxic relationships. Today, we focus on healing. We care for the tender parts of you that have carried too much for too long. My name is Mary Colenda, and let's get started. Find a comfortable seat. Sit tall without strain. Let your shoulders soften away from your ears. Rest your hands wherever they feel most natural. If it feels good, close your eyes or lower your gaze. Take a slow breath in through your nose. Exhale softly out of your mouth. Let your breath find a natural rhythm. You are safe here. Nothing to fix, nothing to prove. Just you, your breath, and a little space to mend. Imagine a warm light resting behind your heart. It is steady, patient, kind. With each inhale, the light grows a little brighter. With each exhale, it spreads a little wider through your chest, your ribs, your shoulders, soothing what feels sore or tired. If memories or faces appear, you don't have to push them away or hold them close. Just acknowledge them and let your breath guide them to the edges of your awareness. You are allowed to choose what stays close and what drifts away. Picture yourself stepping into a quiet inner space, a sanctuary built just for you. The floor feels solid beneath your feet. The air is calm and clear. Inside this space, your voice matters. Your feelings matter. Everything here is safe to feel and to release. Take a seat in this inner home. Feel the warm light from your heart filling the space around you. You are allowed to rest, heal, and take up space. Imagine someone who has felt toxic or draining standing far outside your sanctuary. Between you and them is a clear boundary, a gate that belongs to you. You decide when it opens, how wide, or if it stays closed. What belongs to others stays with them. What belongs to you returns to you. Feel any heaviness that isn't yours begin to lift. See it slide off your shoulders and dissolve into the earth. You do not have to carry it anymore. Let the ground take it. Bring your attention back to your heart. There may be a younger version of you here, the part that tried so hard to keep the peace, to please, and to endure. Look at this version of yourself with deep compassion and say softly, "Thank you for protecting me. I am here now. You can rest." Let that moment sink in. If it feels natural, place both hands over your heart. Notice the warmth of your palms. Let a small wave of love and kindness move through your face, your neck, your heart. Feel your aliveness. Let your breath remind you that healing doesn't mean forgetting. It means returning to yourself, one breath at a time. You are learning that you can be kind and still have boundaries. You can care and still say no. You can choose peace without guilt. As you inhale, draw in strength and clarity. As you exhale, release every burden that isn't yours. Return to your inner home. See the gate again. Notice how it now rests in a calm position that matches your needs today. Not too open, not too closed. Exactly where it needs to be today. Feel the warm light in your heart grow stronger. Let it flow through your chest and shoulders, down into your belly and legs, reaching all the way to your feet. Then let it rise upward, softening your throat, your face, and the crown of your head. Feel yourself surrounded by warmth and light. Take one last deep breath in. Slow, full breath out. If your eyes are closed, blink them open. Notice the light around you, the shapes, the space you are in. Carry this calm with you as you move through your day. Stay connected to that steady light within. It's always here when you need it. Namaste.